In this video, I am going to discuss about PESTEL analysis. PESTEL is a framework used to analyze the external factors, which are the macroeconomic factors that can affect a business or organization. We already know what is macroeconomic. It is the study of how scarce resources are used in production, distribution and consumption in an economy as a whole. These factors include political, economic, social, technological, environmental and legal elements. Basically, the PESTEL analysis is one of the most popular methods when it comes to analyzing the macroeconomic factors. Here is the PESTEL analysis. All the letters in the word PESTEL representing macroeconomic factors. P for political, E for economical, S for social, T for technological, E for environmental, L for legal. You might notice that there are two E's for economical and environmental. You may have the problem, is there an order for which E comes first? It is advisable to use the economical E first because when it comes to organizations or companies, economy is given the most priority over environmental. Now let's talk about each macroeconomic factor one by one. Political factors. Political factors refer to the government policies and regulations that can have an impact on a business. Basically, all the government decisions regarding the economy or the organizations in the country will be categorized under political factors. For examples, changes in tax laws or trade tariffs can affect the cost of goods and services. Changes in government regulations regarding product safety can affect the manufacturing and marketing of a product. Government policies on foreign investment can affect the ability of a business to expand into new markets. Now let's talk about the economical factors. Economic factors refer to the overall state of the economy and how it can affect a business. Here, the whole economy is considered under economical factors. For examples, during a recession, consumers may have less disposable income and therefore be less likely to make large purchases. Fluctuations in interest rates can affect the cost of borrowing for a business. Inflation can affect the purchasing power of consumers and the cost of goods and services. We discussed about inflation, unemployment, interest rates, exchange rates as macroeconomic factors. All these will be considered under economical factors when it comes to PESTEL analysis. Social factors. Social or social cultural factors refer to the cultural and social norms that can affect a business. Basically, the people in the country or around the business will be considered under social factors. For examples, changes in consumer attitudes towards sustainability can affect the demand for environmentally friendly products. Changes in consumer attitudes towards health and wellness can affect the demand for certain products, such as organic food or fitness equipment. Demographic changes, such as an aging population, can affect the demand for certain products and services. Now let's talk about the technological factors. Technological factors refer to advancements in technology that can affect a business. For example, the widespread use of smartphones has made it possible for businesses to reach new customers through mobile apps and social media. The development of new technologies such as artificial intelligence and blockchain can open up new opportunities for businesses. The increasing use of automation and robotics can affect the cost of labor and the nature of the work. These all are categorized under technological factors because they have to do with new technologies when it comes to businesses. Here is the second E in the PESTEL analysis, Environmental factors. Environmental factors refer to the physical and natural environment that can affect a business. For examples, changes in weather patterns can affect the demand for certain products such as air conditioners or winter coats. Climate change can affect the demand for products related to energy efficiency and renewable energy. Changes in water and air quality can affect the cost of doing business and the reputation of the company. Basically, these are the factors affecting a business and the factors that a business can affect on the environment. Lastly, the legal factors. Legal factors refer to the laws and regulations that can affect a business. For example, changes in labor laws can affect the cost of hiring and retaining employees. Changes in labor laws such as the minimum wage or overtime pay can affect the cost of hiring and retaining employees. Changes in intellectual property laws can affect the ability of a business to protect its proprietary technology or brands. Now let's talk about the advantages of PESTEL analysis. PESTEL analysis is a useful tool for understanding the external factors that can affect a business. Basically, if a business wants to success in their marketplace, they have to do a PESTEL analysis. This will give a clear understanding of macroeconomic factors in the economy. It can help businesses identify opportunities and threats and make informed decisions about how to respond to these factors. Basically, if a business has conducted a PESTEL analysis, they will be informed about the opportunities and threats in the market so they can respond to it properly. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of PESTEL analysis. One limitation of PESTEL analysis is that it can be time consuming to conduct a thorough analysis of all the factors. Additionally, it may not always be easy to predict how external factors will affect a business. Do you think any organizations in the world had predicted the pandemic just happened under the PESTEL analysis? Most probably not, because it will be not easy to predict the external factors. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.